Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll talk about top Amazon must-haves for your travel. In this video particularly we'll talk about 12 items that you should have when you're traveling for a long haul flight or for a short haul flight. In the past few years I have traveled to almost 10 countries, so I'm confident I can give you exact items that you need when you are traveling. And before any further ado, let's get started. So if you are new here, I'm Shruti and we talk all about lifestyle, fashion, travel, tips and hacks and home organization content here. If you are interested in watching videos on any of these topics, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started right into the video. So the first item I like to mention here are these packing cubes. You can see these are complete game changer if you want to fit everything in your bag. So these packing cubes are the compression packing cubes. You can keep your stuff and close the zip, and you can't believe how many pieces you can carry in these packing cubes. It will just double up your space. Trust me, try these. Or you can go ahead and watch any of my video in which I'm packing, and these are the ultimate game changers. So these are the one of the Amazon items that are must have. Go ahead and buy this one. If you get your hands on, there are many packing cubes. You can just write packing cube, or I will add a link in the description box below, so check it out. The next Amazon travel must have is these clear TSA approved bags. So there are certain rules in place for the liquids when you are traveling via flight. So I have already made a separate videos on TSA rules. I'll add the link of the video in the description box below. Go and check it out. So these bags are TSA approved and you can carry liquids inside in the bottles. These clear travel bags are very handy. I have used it in all of my trips, and it's still working strong. So I'll add a link to every items I'm mentioning in the video. So go ahead and get it if you need one. Third travel item are these liquid containers. These are less than 100 ml containers. You can take these with you in flight, and you can add, you can see here it's makeup remover, there is sunscreen over here, so you can add whatever you want and you can take it along with you in the flight. These are very helpful. Place these clear containers in bags like this with all the liquids that you need for your trip, and you're good to go. So the third must have item are these bottles for traveling. So fourth category is in-flight essentials. So if you're traveling on a very long haul flight, 10 to 12 hours, then neck rest, neck pillow is a must. It's so comfortable when you're traveling in a long haul flight. It gives you your neck the required support, and you can at least sleep, at least if you're traveling in an economy class, which majority of us are obviously traveling there. So have this kind of pillow handy. It's not very expensive, it's easily available in Amazon. So have this handy and you're good to go for all your in-flight sleeping problems. The fifth Amazon must-have item is this headphone. Any noise cancellation headphone is good for that matter. In the long haul flight, especially when you want to sleep and there are some kids who are making noises and you are not able to sleep, you can just use this, put the noise cancellation mode on, and you can easily sleep and there shouldn't be any problem. If you are someone who likes to use an eye mask, you can also use that for sleeping. I preferably don't need an eye mask. It feels a lot claustrophobic for me. So I just, for sleeping, I just need a headset with a noise cancellation feature in. So my next Amazon must-have item for travel is this weighing machine. It's portable weighing machine. You have to attach your luggage with this, and then you can weigh it. So just a long story short, when I didn't had this with me, most of the time what happened, my luggage goes overweight and then I have to pay at the counter, which you do not want in your life, right? You do not want to pay everywhere in your check-in luggage. So now I carry this one, and I keep weighing my luggage whenever possible before checking in to the counter, and see if it's overweight. And if it's overweight, it's preferably to buy luggage online than by paying at the counter, because at the counter they charge you quite more than what they charge you if you book it prior. So yeah, these kind of travel friendly weighing machine is very good. You can have it one in your bag and you're good to go for any of your trip, and this is highly recommended items from Amazon. So yeah. The next product is this universal adapter. So if you are someone who are traveling across countries and you do not know which kind of adapter will go in their, what voltage they have in their, if you do not know that, then get this handy. This is, you can see, this is EU, UK, USA, and all the countries are there, Australia, and every country. So whenever you are traveling anywhere, have this universal adapter with you, and you're good to go for all your charging issues. I have traveled without this in 2018 to Europe, and I faced a lot of problem, and then I went there to buy a charger, and it was also not a universal charger, it was USA, so it was Europe to India. So again I faced a lot of problem, because that is no use for me, right? That's just an extra item you have to change every time for every country you are visiting. So this universal charger is so good. You can have this and you're good to go for many of your international trips. So the next item is a portable charger. This is a travel portable power bank. This just fits in your iPhone. I have an iPhone, that's why I have this in lightning cable. This also comes in a Type-C port, so if you are someone who use Android, you can have this one. You can just throw it in your sling bag or something. Generally I do not carry big bulky bags when I'm in traveling from one place to another. I just have a sling bag for a day out, and this lasts me longer, because my phone, even I think everyone's phone battery drains a lot, because you're taking a lot of pictures, a lot of videos, and then you're also googling the stuff, your net is continuously on. So something like this, which is very handy, and I particularly like this one because it's just easy and go, and it will charge your phone. The one with cables, they are so bulky, I do not like that. So this is one from Amazon, is my go-to, and I'll link it in the description box below if you want to try this one. It's a good one to have. The next category is a steam iron. I know most of you won't agree why you need a steam iron if you're staying in a hotel or somewhere. So generally women, I have a lot of clothing which I can't put my iron on, otherwise it won't last me longer. So for those pieces, I carry this portable iron. I prefer to stay in Airbnbs also a lot, which may or may not have an iron or iron board. So this is very good. You just fill water over here. This is from Philips. You get a lot on Amazon, also in budget. I'll link this piece and other options as well, and these are so good. Just you have to fill water over here, and then steam it, and you're good to go. It's very travel friendly. It's very small size. You can see it here. It's very small size, like my face, and then you can fit it here, fit it in your bag, and you're good to go. So for us, we carry a lot of jewelries with us, and they tend to tangle between themselves. A lot of dainty jewelry pieces, which then you have to sit down for an hour, and then take it out, and all your jewelries are not even at a single place. So for that, I have this small jewelry box. This is a very small, my finger size small, and there is you can fit a lot of jewelry. See, I already have some. You can fit a lot of jewelries here. You can fit all the rings over here, your pendants over here, and earrings over here. So this is again a very good piece for your travel, for all the jewelry essentials. For the next category, I have this disinfectant. So COVID scare is still not over, and aeroplanes, flights, public transports are one of the places that has so much of germs, all kind of dirt and germs. And then when you are on the go, you do not get wash basin everywhere. So I like to carry these kind of disinfectant spray to spray on the surface where my hand is touching, at least I'm sitting. So this is for my flights, and I really like to have multiple pieces of this for my travel. And this one is 42.5 gram, which is less than 100 ml. So you can carry this in flight with you, and this is a very travel friendly size. For the last and final category from Amazon, I always carry Energel and ORS with me. Travels are very hectic, it's very tiring. So at the end of the day, when you're back to back traveling, you're walking, you need to get energized and drink something. So for that, I always carry an ORS, Energel something along with me to get a quick hydration. And yeah, that's it for my videos today. Let me know if you find these Amazon finds helpful for your travel. Let me know in the comment section what else you are using. So what else, and let me know in the comment section what else you are using from Amazon that is helping you in your travel. If you want to see more of these kind of videos, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button. I'll be making content around my lifestyle and everything that I do. Please follow me here and my Instagram. There is an upcoming trip on which I'm traveling, so you'll see a lot of pictures from that also. If you like this video, please take a moment to hit the like button. Bye.